Okay, so guys, you want to run DeepSeek AI in your VS Code, right? So that it can be your AI coding assistant. Follow these steps, guys. First, go to Google and search Ollama because we have to download the model first. Just go to download Ollama, then go to download for Windows. When you click on that, the setup will start downloading, guys. It is of 745 MB and it will take some time to download, so we'll wait. So guys, while it is installing, you just have to open VS Code and just go to extensions tab, then search here something called Code GPT because we have to use that. Let me make it a little bigger for you so that you all can see. So this is the extension we need. Just go to this extension, then install this. So now the extension is installing and the Ollama setup is also installing. All we can do is now wait, guys. So yeah, let's wait. Then I will tell you the other steps you have to do. Okay, so guys, this is about to download and it is downloaded right now. So just click on the setup and now let's install this. Click on install and it will get installed in your PC. Okay guys, it is installed right now. As you can see here, it is the Ollama. So it's restarted and it's working now. So what you have to do is go to VS Code and we have to go to our extension, guys. So I'll just cut that and I'll see the extension, guys, which is the Code GPT chat. Go to this extension. You just have to log in it using Google. So let me log in. So now the login is completed. I'll just go to continue to Visual Code and let me see, guys. Open it. Then yeah, it's working. Now let me make it a little bit small so that I can use that. So here is something you can see, guys. We have to first select the model. So just go to local LLMs and we'll see Llama there. So just select that and then we have to select the model, guys, and here you have all the DeepSeek models. I'll use the DeepSeek 1.5B and I'll click on that. Then I can download this model basically. So as you guys can see, my model is downloading. When the model will be downloaded, guys, then I will be free to use it using my local LLM, guys. So it is pretty basic and pretty easy, guys. If you follow all these steps, then you will not face any kind of problem. And now it is about to download, guys. And yeah, guys, it's 100% downloaded. So as you guys can see, I can use this model. So I'll just type hello. Let's see, guys. So yeah, now the DeepSeek R1 model is running on my VS Code. So now what you can do is you can just stop and you can just use /fix to fix errors, guys. And you can also use /explain to get explanation of the codes, guys. And also if you want to clean up your code, then you can just use something called refactor. So yeah, guys, it's pretty basic. So now the DeepSeek model is running. If you guys want another video on that how you can use that and all that kind of stuff, I can make a video on that too. Just comment down below, guys. It is the installation part. Part 2 will be coming, guys. So yeah, subscribe to this channel and I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, goodbye.